rephrase it. Did he make statements in this, body cam that I popped back when it was done?
He did.
And he indicated to, his cousin in that conversation that he used a nose and a blower?
That was also part of it.
And what are those slang words for?
The nose for revolver, snub nose for a revolver, and the blower, also a slang term for a gun, handgun.
Okay, and then prior to, earlier in the night, I should say, he had a conversation with another cousin, a Cassandra.
Correct.
And what if anything was that, conversation?
There was a message that he had sent indicating that, just paraphrasing this, about to do something really bad, that if he had options, but that he was gonna go with the messier one.
What we're looking at is substantial risk of harm to any person with the community, and that there are no conditions. So if he has an opinion about that, but certainly Detective Kovach, do you believe that Messiah Green is a serious physical harm to any person or the community, and if so, why?
Yes, I would agree. I would agree to that, and say that he is a threat to cause serious physical harm to, and that would be based on, we have Juvenile, JY, and her mother would be OB, expressing concerns about if Messiah were out on bond of possible harm towards them. We also have JB and Juvenile JB and her parents as well that also had filed that protection order, also concerned based on what's happened here, the incident here.
Did it appear that he had anything in the backpack when he was arrested that indicated he planned to flee the community?
Yes, and I would say at the scene, just starting at the scene with the with Melinda's room being overturned, the searches, the Google searches showing that he was looking to take that vehicle but wasn't able to do so. And then also with the backpack is just full of clothing, not just for a day or two. There was pretty much almost everything he probably had clothing-wise in there.
Okay, thank you. Ms. Durham, do you have any other questions for Detective Kovach?
I do, Your Honor. And in that backpack, wasn't there a speed loader?
There was.
Okay.
And I'd like to go back on the speed loader, so it is a 5-round speed loader.
Okay, so to correct the testimony from last week, October 28th, Detective Kovach said first it was a 5 ammo speed loader, then corrected it to 6, and now he's correcting it again.
Yep.
Just as a point of order, how did you come to realize it is indeed a 5 bullet speed loader?
I went back and double checked when I went back to the station and looked at
In the
photos.
evidence room?
Yes.
Very good, thank you. Go ahead, Ms. Goodrum.
Okay, and although it was still a 5-bullet speed loader, it was
Yes.
you testified that it was consistent with, the bullet that was removed from
Correct.
the victim's hand.
And that analysis is still pending, but yes.
And this firearm that was used in the murder, it hasn't been recovered,
It
has
has
it?
not been recovered. Extensive searches for it.
Okay. And presumably the last person to have this firearm was the person that committed the murder, correct?
Correct.
And would you say that it would be a danger to the community that the person that committed this murder, if they're released, go back and get the firearm and cause more danger?
Absolutely possibility.
Do you believe that, and I'm not sure if the judge asked you this or not, do you believe that there are any conditions that the court could impose if they were to release Messiah Green, that he wouldn't pose a risk to the community?
I don't believe there's any restrictions of it.
And you mentioned that you have interviewed a JB and a JY, correct?
Previously, well, yeah, JB previously on another matter, and then JY on this incident, yes.
Okay, and JY was involved in this situation, correct?
Correct.
And what exactly did JY say in relation to this case? That you believe that will present a danger to someone else in the community
her
if he
involvement,
is released?
yeah, JY's involvement was, prior conversations in school, where JY made statements that, there was plans for the first homicide or murder to happen, and also plans to flee the state afterwards.
And who all was supposed to be murdered in this case?
The statements that were relayed to us were that the murders were going to be both of their mothers, Melinda Green, and then also Obie, JY's mother, Obie.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Thank you. Detective Kovach, as part of your investigation, etc., are you aware of the JY involving juvenile JB, her mother AJ, and her father SJ?
Yes.
Stepfather?
Yes.
You aware of the allegations that were made in that DVCPO?
Yes.
And those also involved plans by the accused here to kill SJ if his girlfriend would kill AJ.
Correct.
And that allegedly did not happen because Mrs. Green was present, is that correct?
Correct.
Those are the allegations in the JY CPO, yes?
Yes.
And that CPO is granted, yes?
Correct.